guys. So yesterday I went to Ikea a week after its opening, and there was still a lot of people though, and like nowhere to park. So I didn't really take video inside the store, but I totally took a lot of pictures, especially of stuff that I really like wanted. Like I already have in my mind exactly how my apartment that I don't have but will have sometime in the future is gonna look like. So yeah, so here are the pics. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you haven't been to Ikea, go, because it's like a total crazy festival of people, and it's a maze. There's like these doors that lead you to somewhere else, and then there's like these kitchens, and then there's this whole room so you can just like walk in, and it shows you like in 230 square feet of room how many things you can put in one room, or it tells you how your entire kitchen you can get for less than $1,100. Yeah, Ikea's pretty awesome. I'm gonna take that as my sign to go.
Never wanna shake you with another. It's such a shame. You know how fancy heads to hand. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Only want to see you laughing in a purple rain. I know the times are changing. We all gotta reach out for something new. Not you too. You say you wanna lead her, but you can't make up your mind. Won't you take my hand, lead you to the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Only want to see you laughing in a purple rain. Yeah, I can get that one part about like 50% of the time. I can get that. Woo! Yeah, he does that.
She's the girl that no one ever knows, and I say hi, but she's too shy to say hello. She's just waiting for that one to take her hand and shake her up. I bet I could. I wish my heart was always on her mind, 'cause she's on mine like all day, all the time. Yeah. Forget me not, forget me now. I've come too far to turn around. I'm here tonight. 'Cause I'm never going down, I'm never giving up, I'm never gonna leave, so put your hands up. If you like me, then say you like me. I'm never going down, I'm never giving up, I'm never gonna leave, so put your hands up. If you like me, then say you like me. a double just to buy her clothes. Nicotine and faded dreams. Baby, just believe there's no one else like me. 'Cause I'm never going down, I'm never giving up, I'm never gonna leave, so put your hands up. If you like me, then say you like me. I'm never going down, I'm never giving up, I'm never gonna leave, so put your hands up. If you like me, then say you like me. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, oh. And don't you fall into my arms, 'cause I've been waiting for too long. You're an angel, grab your hand and let's fly tonight. 'Cause I'm never going down, I'm never giving up, I'm never gonna leave, so put your hands up. If you like me, then say you like me. 'Cause I'm never going down, I'm never giving up, I'm never gonna leave, so put your hands up. If you like me, then say you like me. I'm never going down, I'm never giving up, I'm never gonna leave, so put your hands up. If you like me, then say you like me. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh. Just say you like me. Asleep with no just how I am.